Alright, last time I pulled the hatch off, this time I'm gonna drop the fuel tank. To drop the fuel tank, what do we have to do here? Let's see if there's anything on the inside. I know this is ugly. I know it's ugly. Okay, there are two screws here with some Phillip heads. I'll go ahead and remove those to get the fuel neck out because the fuel neck is attached to the fuel tank. That's one of the, oh, they're not screws, sorry, they're bolts. I probably could disconnect it there, but I'll take the whole thing out. Oh, and so I'm not hung up on anything later, I'm gonna pull this out too. Like a 10mm. So Phillips heads, probably number 2 will work, and a 10mm, and I got the neck loose and not causing a problem. Didn't need to come off. I want to sand it and spray it again, and it'll, well, it needed to come off to sand in here and paint, prime and paint, but it didn't need to come off to get the gas tank out. All right, that's disconnected. I'll leave that all at one piece, as one piece. Probably could have disconnected it here. Ground has to come off. Ground's up. Bolts hold the strap in. They are the 9/16 or 14mm. I'm gonna disconnect them all. Got the jack here to help hold it up. Then I'll be able to pull it out. Oh, something else on the top that's already missing. This would have to be disconnected, but I mean, that's already disconnected. I sent the cover to get powder coated a few weeks ago. I need a little more ass. I'll know where to find it later. Require an extension. That jack's doing a good job. All right, one more again. The jack held it the whole time. Okay, now these 3 fuel lines need to be disconnected. I'll be able to get it from the top. That came out. Cool. I use these needle nose in there to loosen up the clamps. I'll be able to just wiggle them each one by one. Those lines loose and disconnected, I'll be able to let the tank lean forward. Tank removed. Everything's removed under here.